everyone. In this video, we are talking about how you can use OnePay at Walmart. To get started, head over to walmart.com and search for OnePay. You should find the OnePay page where you can click to get started. According to Cider AI, you can use OnePay at Walmart both online and in store. For online purchase, simply select OnePay Wallet at checkout. For in-store purchase, you can add a credit or debit card to your OnePay wallet either during checkout or through one app. At the register or fuel station, scan the QR code using the One app to check out. You will earn 1 point for every $10 spent at Walmart using OnePay. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.